If Photopea is giving you a Chrome error, freezing, lagging, or not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These simple Chrome settings usually solve the problem in just a few minutes, and you won't need any advanced tech skills to follow along. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button, button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, we're going to enable Chrome hardware acceleration. This is important because if Chrome isn't passing graphics tasks to your GPU, Photopea can lag, fail to render the canvas, or even crash. To do this, open Chrome and type Chrome Settings System into the address bar. Once the system page opens, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure it is turned on. If it's already off, switch it on right away. After that, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click Relaunch so the change takes effect. This one step alone fixes a lot of Photopea browser issues, especially when the editor is struggling with rendering. Next, if Photopea is still not working correctly, clear the site data just for Photopea. This is a great fix because it removes broken cached scripts and temporary data without wiping your entire browser history. To do that, go to photopea.com in Chrome. On the left side of the address bar, click the padlock icon or the tune icon, depending on your browser version. From there, open Site Settings, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, reload the tab and give Photopea another try. Sometimes a damaged cache is all it takes to cause loading errors, strange glitches, or endless spinning. Now, let's test Photopea in Incognito mode. This step helps us figure out whether a Chrome extension is causing the issue, like an ad blocker, script tool, privacy extension, or anything else that interferes with Photopea's network connections. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. This opens a private Incognito window. Then go back to photopea.com and load it there. If Photopea works normally in Incognito, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is the problem. In that case, go back to your regular Chrome window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. This method may take a few minutes, but it is very effective. After that, make sure Chrome itself is fully updated. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with web apps like Photopea, especially if there are newer graphics or security features that the app depends on. To check for updates, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if needed. If it updates, restart the browser and try Photopea again. Keeping Chrome current is one of the easiest ways to avoid random browser errors. If you've gone through all of these steps, there's a very good chance Photopea will start working properly again. In most cases, the issue comes down to graphics acceleration, bad site data, a conflicting extension, or an outdated browser. The key is to test each fix one at a time so you can identify what actually solved the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix the Photopea Chrome error, please give this video a like and subscribe for more practical how-to guides. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.